It makes sense. Help me understand. What? Help me understand. Make it make sense to me. What makes you thought it was safe to try to play with me? Raised in the belly of the beast. Learn how to eat. Survive in the streets, nigga. That's why I be. What the fuck you thought it was a game, bitch? I was raised in the gutter. I've been on that other shit. I don't know how you thought it was safe. Fuck with me. I don't know who told you what. Somebody lied to you, cause that ain't what it do it. It's not that and I'm not them.